Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make a video clip black and white in your video projects or film projects on Wondershare Filmora. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your film project and add your video clips to your timeline. I will go with this one for the sake of this tutorial. Select it with your left mouse and then apply a filter, a black and white filter. To do that, click into filters at the top, then navigate to mono. And you can go with any of these. As you can see, not all of these filters are available from my account status, so you will go with one you have access to. For example, that one here looks pretty black and white, so drag it onto your video clip, release it, and then to customize it, click into this icon here. As you can see, it's black and white. You can also enable it or disable it. Here you see the difference. And then customize the appearance, for example, by look at more intense like that, by changing the opacity. Yeah, that's it basically, guys. So you can go with any other of these. You can also search through the filter library and type in black and white, for example, and you may find other customizable black and white filters like that. For that one, for example, black and white film, so you can apply it the same way. Right, so let me remove that one, position that one on the video clip. And then, as you can see, another black and white filter. Click into this small icon to customize or to adjust the black and white intensity, just how I showed you. Right, so that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.